Today, we're unboxing the Aston Martin F1 Limited Edition once again, and this time, let's see what's changed in its design. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The Realme GT 8 Pro Aston Martin F1 Limited Edition packaging already feels like a big step up from last year. The front logo and the base of the box now come in this bright, striking yellow shade, officially called Passion Condensed. It immediately catches the eye. Opening the box, the first thing you'll spot is the Aston Martin car logo printed right on the inside of the top lid. Lift that up and there it is. The phone itself, along with the interchangeable lens cap. Beneath that layer, you'll find the 120-watt charger, the Type A to Type C cable, and not one but two phone cases, each designed to fit different lens modules. Even the cases have a stylish touch. The gray markings on them pop nicely under the light, giving off a sleek, textured feel. And yes, tucked at the bottom, there's an Aston Martin exclusive SIM ejector tool. Look closely, and you'll notice it even reflects the body of an F1 race car. That's some seriously fine detailing. Overall, this custom gift box feels genuinely premium and thoughtfully put together. Now onto the main star, the phone itself. The moment I picked it up, the back design instantly stood out. Compared to the previous generation, the new one looks smoother and more refined. The old model had a slightly raised contour, but this time we get a full, seamless design. Those two passion ring lines running down the sides not only add a visual punch, but also give off that true racing vibe. The camera module has also had a revamp, now featuring the signature Aston Martin green carbon fiber texture, perfectly blending curves and sharp edges. Personally, I think it looks best with the lens cover off. Underneath, the hidden passion ring detailing gives it such a dynamic and energetic look. The only downside is, once you attach the lens cover, that ring gets blocked. It would have been awesome if they included a transparent version, but it's not a deal breaker. I bet this lens cover is going to be a hot collectible anyway. When you power it on, you're greeted with a custom UI and watermark made specifically for this limited edition. But what really got me? The lock screen animation. The way the screen lights up feels just like the moment a supercar engine roars to life. Controlled power, pure adrenaline. Now, let's talk specs. We've got the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 under the hood, a stunning 2K 144Hz display, a 200 megapixel telephoto lens, 120 watt ultra-fast charging, a massive 7,000 milliamp hour battery, and top-tier dual stereo speakers. In short, this phone isn't just about looks, it's got serious power to back it up. So what do you think? Would you go for this beautifully crafted Aston Martin edition? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.